ever heard about web hosting? What is web hosting? Let's begin with something you're more familiar with: a website. This is an ordinary e-commerce site. But did you ever wonder how a website was built? Before a website is accessible through the internet, it goes through several processes. Firstly, you may need a web designer. He or she will design a web page based on your needs using scripts such as HTML, CSS, or etc. Even after the design job is done, the website is not 100% complete yet. This is because the design files are only stored in the web designer's computer and not available on the internet yet. So, how can we get our website connected to the internet so that people around the world will have access to it? The next step, also the most important step, is to upload all your web files to a server which is connected to the World Wide Web. Once the files are 100% uploaded, you will then have a website which is accessible through the internet. So, who is providing this server? By renting server space from a provider is what we call as web hosting. Besides web hosting, in order for your friends to visit your website, you need a domain name. What is a domain name then? It basically refers to the URL address such as google.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com, or etc. In short, having a website is just like owning a house. You need web hosting, which is space, web design, the renovations for your house, and a domain name, an address to your house, so that your friends or customers are able to visit you. With these three requirements, you can have your own website now for blogging, showing off your photography skills by having a photo blog, setting up your company email system, or even having your own online business. But where do we get all these three services? Yes, we provide all of the above. Please feel free to contact us at serverfreak.com for more information.